motherfucking hair. Do not touch my hair. No, 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 no. Okay? Don't touch my hair. Don't touch my hair. Or my chinchilla coat. Don't touch my hair. Or my chinchilla coat. Don't touch my hair. Or my chinchilla coat. Don't touch my hair.
You should have kept your fucking mouth shut. Take your ass down to the welfare. What the fuck you think she is? Since you got so much motherfucking mouth, fuck you and fuck him.
Don't touch my hair, or my chinchilla coat. Don't touch my hair, or my chinchilla coat. Don't touch my hair, or my chinchilla coat. Don't touch my hair, or my chinchilla coat.
I think right now you feel like you becoming a grown woman. Cause that shit you poured in the kitchen, I should have fucked you up. But I let you walk away, and I let you come get yourself together. But bitch, I'm gonna let you know if you ever pour that shit on me again, that will be your last motherfucking day standing. I promise you that. You gonna send a white bitch to my motherfucking buzzer, talking about some higher education. You're a dummy, bitch. You will never know shit. Don't nobody want you, don't nobody need you. You done fucked around and fucked my motherfucking man and had 2 motherfucking children, and one of them is a goddamn animal running around looking crazy as a motherfucker. Bitch, you know what? See how you think you trying me? I think you really trying to fuck with me. You fucking with my money, and you gonna stand up there and look down at me like you're a motherfucking woman? I'm gonna show you what real women do, bitch. See, you don't know what real motherfucking women do. Real motherfucking women sacrifice. I should have aborted your motherfucking ass, cause you ain't shit. I know the day the doctors put you like goddamn hand, you wasn't a goddamn thing, and you had that smirk on your face, bitch.